Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's. Today I'm online shopping for iPhone 11 cases and I'm on Amazon. So I'm going to share with you what cute iPhone 11 cases they have. So if you just type in iPhone 11 case, some super cute ones will show up. And I found so many cute ones. But you can also type in iPhone case like girly, iPhone case anime, or anything that might be your interest. So when you have an iPhone 11 or an iPhone 11 Pro or iPhone 11 Pro Max, you kind of want the color to show through because the colors are so pretty. Like mine is purple. So I love all these clear cases that just have like the border that is a different color. So this one is probably my favorite because you can still see the color of your phone, but it also has glitter. It's so cute, and I think it's floating liquid glitter. So it like goes around, like if you turn it upside down. Super cute. And I love this one because there's so many floral designs you can choose from, and it's only $11. So this one's pretty. This one is so pretty. This one has flamingos on it. That one has roses. And it looks like, other than the flowers, it's clear so you could see the color of your case come through. So I hope you liked seeing what kind of cases they have on Amazon for iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.